What's good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Sunday reset. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, thanks so much for tuning in. So guys, I'm starting off in my kitchen. As always, I love to start off in the kitchen, and I'm mainly just tidying up my countertops in here, just getting everything nice and clean, as well as I'm going to be cleaning my floors in my kitchen and my living room area. I just have a new gadget that I'm so excited about, and I want to show it to you guys, and this will be my first time using it, so we're gonna get to see how it works together. So I'm just going in with some Fabuloso for the counters. I had strayed away from using like a lot of chemical based cleaning supplies until I moved into this house, and I have so much floor, so much counter and everything to cover. So some of those chemical based products have made their way back into my routine, and Fabuloso and the Lysol lemon thing that you guys see me using all the time, those are two of my favorite. And so guys, now that I'm done cleaning those counters, I'm just going to go ahead and sweep up my floors really nice so that I can use my nice little gadget that I got. Now it does sweep and mop, but I wanted to go ahead and, you know, get some things up just in case it doesn't do what I expect it to do. So this is the little filter here. I already had it going for a little while, and it seemed like it got up a little bit, and so I'm excited to check it out in my kitchen area. As you guys can see, I am trying to figure out how to work the app still to kind of program it to spaces in my home, but as of right now it seems to guide itself pretty well. If it gets stuck, it'll turn around, but it is so freaking cute, and I just feel like it's just one of those adult gadgets or adult toys that you're excited to have in your home. But it is supposed to sweep and get everything up as well as a mop. So right now we have it on the sweep setting, and then I am going to go ahead and bring it into my living room space. And here, guys, is where it was supposed to be mopping, but I don't know how good of a job it was doing with this mop in here. So as you guys can see, it's putting like two little streaks based off the little legs, and it's just really not covering a whole lot of floor. So the mopping part I really don't have down pat yet, so I'm definitely gonna have to play with it a little bit more. Like I said, this was my first use on it. And by the way, if you guys are interested, this is the Life robot vacuum, and I did get it off of Amazon. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to play with it. I did put some liquid in it, some Fabuloso and some hot water to kind of see what it would mop up, but I really don't think it's doing a good job at mopping. So I did decide to go ahead and mop the floors myself, and as you guys can see, they're so cute, so beautiful, so shiny, and this is what I wanted the robot to do, but it didn't actually do that. So we'll keep playing with it. But now I'm just going in with some air freshener and some fabric sanitizer, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray my sofas down, and this is just a big part of my Sunday refresh as well. And then I decided to go and help my daughter clean her room because she needed a little lift today. So I am straightening up her bed for her, and then I'm just going to tidy up in here. You guys don't see me in my kids' room as much because they usually do a pretty good job at tidying up their rooms, but sometimes it's good for me to just come in and do my thing in their room, and, you know, make sure that it's clean like it's supposed to be, especially on the days where they kind of drag at it, and I know that they'll have to do it. So I'm definitely helping her out today. I do plan on kind of doing something slightly different with her room, like adding some curtains and stuff like that, because she doesn't have any up. But she had this cute little mirror that she has on her wall. I decided to go ahead and wipe that down because it was a little dirty, but for the most part her room is pretty tidy. I love this little area here. This is her little bed area. And then I decided to go into my boys' room because their closet door, it was so stained. I don't know what they had been doing to the door, but it definitely needed to be wiped down, and so I'm just giving it a good wipe down. I decided to wipe their doors. I even ended up hitting their baseboards and then parts of their wall as well once I got through with the door, but I didn't show too much of that just because I kind of got in the moment and really forgot I was recording. But Then guys, I also saw that their ceiling fan, oh my goodness guys, they had built up so much dust, and my kids do have allergies, so I definitely had to clean those and get them back the way they were supposed to be, because I cannot have them breathing in any dust, even though it is wintertime and they don't use the ceiling fan as much. But just in case, you know, they get hot and want to turn it on, we want these blades to be clean. So mama is going in and scrubbing these things down. I'm just using some Lysol wipes to make sure I hit them really well, going through each blade. And yeah guys, you just always have to follow up and check behind your kids when they're cleaning, or just check and see what you miss. I don't 100% always have it together. There are some days where I do not even go in their room and help them clean. I just strictly let them do it on their own. But I'm so glad I did come and help them in their rooms today, because I would have never seen these ceiling fans had I not come and helped them clean their room. Then guys, later on, after all that cleaning, I walked into the kitchen and my hubby had brought me flowers home. He actually OD'd on the flowers. They are so beautiful. I was so amazed and thankful, and just felt so loved. I thought that this was just so beautiful, so sweet and nice of him. So these are all of my flowers guys. I wanted to share them with you. Of course, I am going to put the ones in a vase that need to be in a vase, but 3 of them are like plants that I'm gonna have to water and take care of in the soil. And here's what they look like in the vases. I am going to leave one in the kitchen, and I'm going to put one in my hall area. I think it will look so cute there, but I kind of just sporadically place them here and there. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.